Alright, look what we're gonna do today. It's a race. Yeah? A race. It's gonna be the black Lasko against the white Pelonis. Correct? Okay, box fans. It's a box fan race. Who you gonna think is gonna win? It's a fast race? Okay, we're gonna start on fast. Who you think is gonna win? The black one or the white one? The black one? Alright, so let's do this. Ready, set, and go. Whoa. Now let's do the spin down and see who's gonna win. Who's gonna stop first? Pelonis or Lasko? And Pelonis is the winner. Let's go. Let's do it again. Well, actually, let's do it on slow. All right, it's on slow. Now let's go. Ready, set, and green light, go. And let's do a spin down and yellow down, slow down. Good job, Luke. You're so creative. You use your toys to express yourself and talk. Great job, buddy. And stop the. Oh. Lasko stop first. Pelonis is still going. All right. You're so creative, man. Alright, you want to do it again? Let's do it on median. Yeah? Okay. Ready? Set.
Green light. Let's go.
Okay, let's stop. Let's do a spin down. Yellow light, slow down. Yeah.
Red light. Stop.
Yeah. I guess Pelonis is the fastest one. Look.